Hey everyone, and welcome back to Get Galaxy. Today, we're going on a tour of an ice cream factory. I've always been fascinated by how ice cream is made, so I'm really excited to share this experience with you. We're here at the Ben & Jerry's ice cream factory in Vermont. This is where they make all of your favorite flavors, like Cherry Garcia, chocolate chip cookie dough, and fish food. First, we're going to see how the milk is pasteurized. This process kills any bacteria that might be in the milk. Next, we're going to see how the cream is churned. This is where the air is whipped into the milk, which gives ice cream its creamy texture. After that, we're going to see how the flavorings are added. This is where all of the delicious flavors that you love are created. Finally, we're going to see how the ice cream is packaged and shipped. This is where the ice cream is packaged into pints and then shipped to stores all over the world. I hope you enjoyed this tour of an ice cream factory. It was a lot of fun to learn about how ice cream is made. If you're ever in Vermont, I highly recommend visiting the Ben & Jerry's factory. Thanks for watching.